They are the largest land animals on Earth, yet their hearts may be even bigger than their bodies.
Elephants remember. Elephants mourn. Elephants love.
Elephants can remember distant water sources even after 10 years. They recognize faces, including...
At the center of every herd stands a female leader, the matriarch. Her wisdom keeps the family alive.
Elephants aren't just smart, they feel deeply. When a calf cries, the herd reacts instantly.
When an elephant dies, the herd pauses. They stand in silence. They touch the body with